everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to review some perfumes which I got from this Eco Perfume brand. This Eco Perfume is an Indian manufactured company. They have been manufacturing spray perfumes, perfume oils, scents, body sprays, etc. for the last 50 years. In fact, they're the first company to launch first spray perfumes in India. Isn't it great, right? And I'm really excited to review these 4 perfumes. So without any delay, let's get start the video. Okay, so before going to review the products, first let's see what they have sent me in that beautiful box. So they have sent me these 4 products, 2 of which are perfumes. One is roll-on and the other one is body spray. First perfume I'm going to talk about is this Eco Perfume Mask, as you can see here. So it is a fabric perfume, that means you have to spray it on your clothes only. Clothes that are made from natural material like cotton, silk, wool, linen, etc. So as I can see, it has a decent packaging, and in the back side it's written its price and its expiry date and manufacturing date, which is very important. Now let's open the bottle. Okay, the bottle is really cute. So it is like a rectangle shape and it's flat one, and the lid is also really good. You can open it quickly. It costs ₹260 and you get 100 ml products, which is a lot in this price range. So it is one of their best seller, and the best part is it is ideal for both male and female. And if you're someone who likes strong smell like me, so I think it's the best perfume for you. And also you can get this product online store, so even offline also. In online you can get this product on Amazon. I'll give the link in the below description box. Okay, so let's move to the second perfume. So the next perfume we have is this Eco Shirley, which is coming in this red beautiful box. So it price of ₹260 and it's written it's a handkerchief perfume. Now let's open the box and see what the perfume looks like. I can see it's a fabric perfume and you get 100 ml products in the price range of $260. And also I have read the description that it lasts for 7 to 8 hours, which is a lot. So without any delay, let's open the lid and see what it smells like. So it has a very light flavored smell, which I really like it. And also in this price range you are getting such beautiful smell, and I'm really excited to use this perfume. Okay, so let's move to our third perfume. So the next product we have is this perfume body spray. It's Eco Charm, as you can see here. It's a purple color beautiful bottle, and it has a lid of silver color. In the back side of the bottle it is given the details for the product, and it's of ₹270 and you'll get 200 ml products, which is also a very affordable in this price range. And they have given the ingredients also, and even the direction also how you're going to use it. So I'm a person who loves body spray on a daily basis. I don't like perfume using daily basis. I just use body spray. So I'm really excited to use this product. So let's open the lid and just see how it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so fresh. It has a flavor and it's like cucumber. We use this cucumber body lotion, right? So it smells like that. It's so refreshing. I just loved it. And I really love the product. As I have already said, I'm a person who loves body spray on a daily basis. So I'm really excited to use this body spray. I think this is gonna be my favorite product. Okay, let's move on to the next product. So the next product we have is this Choco Max. It's a roll-on and it's of 8 ml, and you'll get this in the price of ₹170, which is also a very affordable price. And now let's open the product, and I really love the packaging. It's like chocolate, you know, it's look like chocolate. So let's open the product. So this is the product, and it's really cute. And I really love about this product is it's so handy. You can keep it in your purse and just use it. Now let's open the lid and see how it smells like. Okay, so this is how the lid looks like. So since it's a roll-on, so we have to use it here. So let me try it. Okay, obviously it's a Choco Max and it definitely smells like chocolate. I just love the smell. It's a sweet chocolatey smell. I I just love it. If you're a chocolate lover, then I think you're gonna love this product, and I'm already in love with this product. It's really sweet, so sweet. And considering the price is very less, very affordable, so 170 rupees, and you're going to get 8 ml of products, and also you have to use just little bit of products, and you're just good to go. And I really love the product. The last two products are my just favorite. This one and the body spray one. I just love the products and smells so good. So this is it. I hope you liked the review of this product, and honestly I have enjoyed too while making this video because the product smells so good. It just refreshed my mood. And these products are available on Amazon also. I'm going to give the link on the description box below. You can go and buy the products. Okay then, see you all soon. Bye.